Hey guys, welcome back. So I started off my video a little bit different this time because we just got to work today, but I had my husband come in and move one of my big grasses because it's where I wanted to plant some new peony plants that I got that you see right here, and I'll show them to you in a second. So excited about them. So I had him move it over there, and then we kind of cut the electrical wire just a little bit. And so he's gonna kind of work on fixing that. I think he might just have to tape it. And then I'm gonna do a bunch of weeding while he's working on that and just kind of making the ground look nice and moving the mulch around a little bit and getting the area all nice because the tulips are starting to come in this front area and I'm super excited. So we're gonna work on that, and then I'll show you what peonies I have. I switched back from peonies to peonies. I think I like peonies better. That's what I grew up saying. But anyway, I might say one or the other. So I got all the weeds out. That felt good to get that done. Our landscaper planted these grasses in here because we wanted something low maintenance. I'm kind of thinking I'll keep them for a while, but eventually I want to switch them out. But anyway, a few of them had died off, so I moved that one from over there. I kind of didn't want one over here, and it'll be better because it'll just start here and come down to here, and now there's one here, which is nice because that's the one that died back. So planted it here. I need to water that in still. And then you can see the tulips starting to come up. Super excited about that. And I have them in little groupings. If you remember, in the fall I planted it here, a group here, 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 all along here. So that should be really pretty. And then I need to kind of figure out what I'm doing with this area. I did not weed down here because this is so soggy. It's just like the soggiest. I think this is where our house drain is, and so this is always soggy here. So I need to figure out what to do in that area also. So these are the peonies. I love them so much. I've seen them in a little bit of a distance in someone's yard, and I asked my family member to ask our neighbor what it was because I loved it so much. And I thought it was a daisy, but I knew it wasn't. It was like more delicate and pretty, and I was surprised to hear she said it was a peony. And so I kind of researched, and I'm pretty sure it's this Jan von Leeuwen peony. They're like 3 by 3, so I think that'll be perfect distance. I don't care if they're a little bit close together. They like full sun. They like the soil moist but not soggy. They bloom mid-spring. They're zones 4 to 8, and I'm hoping I'll just get like 1 or 2 blooms off of them, but they look really nice and healthy. super excited about both of these because I've been wanting this plant for a couple years now. But here's where I'm going to plant the peonies. And you can see that we had this wire here. It's kind of frustrating. They just ran the wire through the middle of our beds. Like every time I find one, I try to really snake it along the side. And this did have to cross. I get that, but it's kind of frustrating. And every time my husband helps me, he always cuts or breaks something. So it's kind of frustrating, but anyway, so I'm going to plant them here. They're going to be so beautiful with those white blooms. I cannot not wait. And I love that I'll have two together, and that'll be nice. And it'll make it a little bit of a bigger bush, and then it'll get a lot of sun during the day, which will be really, really nice. And so I think it's a perfect spot. Eventually, maybe I'll put all peonies or some roses along this border. I'm not sure, but for right now, I'm just going to put these two here. So I'm also going to come in and cut back these cone flowers. I do want to move that sometime this spring. I think there's two here, and I just feel like the color is always different than what I want up front. Up front, I like to keep my annual border a little more formal, or I guess cohesive, and these are more kind of like wildflower, and so I want them in the backyard. And I think I have a spot that I'm going to move them, but I'm not going to do that today. But I'll probably just cut them down a little bit so I can remember exactly where they are, and then move them in a couple weeks. And then I'll just cut this Veronica back here and just tidy this area up. Other than that, that's all that really needs to be done here. As you can see, all the tulips are starting to come up here in the front, and yeah, it's looking so pretty. I cannot wait. I cut back the catch pajamas, and those are starting to grow back too. Okay, so let's get these peonies in and then tidy up the rest of this area. In, and that area is all cleaned up. It feels so nice. Tried to wash this off as much as I could with not having a hose right now, but you do want to plant your peonies on top of the surface like this, so ground level. If you plant them too deep, they won't bloom. So if you've planted them in the past and they haven't bloomed, that might be your issue. So keep them nice right on top there. Got this area cleaned up over here, and I cannot wait to see these this spring. Hopefully they will give us some blooms. So, but thanks so much for being here today. We're getting closer and closer, and things are getting cleaned up and looking nicer and nicer. So we'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.